Today, guys, we're going to take a look at something I bought from Walmart online. It is the NUTRiBULLET Prime. It's a 12-piece set. Here you see it on Walmart's website. Now, I've had this magic bullet that you see here on your left. It's 250 watts. Been very happy with it. Had it for years. And I wanted something a little bit bigger, but I really didn't want a blender size. And so that's why I bought this NUTRiBULLET Prime. It is 1,000 watts. So let's take a look at the base unit. It has the suction cup feet, which do not come off. And I suppose, I guess you could pull them off, but then there wouldn't be anything rubberized on your tabletop or your surface, your countertop surface. So, and they do hold good, just like that. And of course the attorneys got their hands in on it. All the important safety instructions. And this happens to be the model NB-202. NB-202. 120 volts AC, 60 hertz, 1,000 watts maximum. So let's look at what you get with this. Obviously you're going to get the extractor blade. This is the side that will go down into the machine and mates with the wheel in there to spin it. And these are your cutting blades. The one thing I did is any number that I find on any of these accessories I put in the manual, because those may be important down the road if you need any replacements. You got a lower set and then that upper set of blades. You're going to get 2 of these flip top lids. These will attach onto the bottles that you get, the cups. You can use these to drink directly out of them. you're going to get 2 comfort lip rings that also screw onto your cups. Now you're going to get what they're calling a 32-ounce colossal cup with what they also call a vessel grip, which is this rubber that's around it. Now, I leave it off because, to me, just my opinion, I can grip this just fine, and this just is another thing for water to collect. You got to take it off when you're washing it, and I guess I find it to be a little bit more of a pain in the ass, so I use mine just like that. But for those of you that want an extra grip, it comes with it. Now this thing's nice. They call it a 32-ounce colossal cup with handle. I actually wish they would have given you another one of those. Now these are nice. You get this stainless steel cup. It'll keep your drinks cool for up to 8 hours. And it also has that vessel grip. Now I've never used this yet. Really have no need to use it. But it is very nice and hefty. So you'll get a warranty registration card. Something that explains what the accessories are, how it works, and a user guide and recipe book. So I'm going to show you what activates this. Here's the inside of the unit, and you've got these 3 areas here 120 degrees apart, and what mates with that are these tabs that you see here, here, and here, obviously 120 degrees apart on all of their cups. And that's what mates. You push down and rotate. And so we're going to give that a try, and I'll show you how that is. Now, when you set your cup on top of there, obviously with your product in there, and you're going to have your extractor blade, but I'm leaving the extractor blade off so you can see. So now you got 2 ways to do it. You can just push this down, which is what I do most of the time. I don't lock it in because it's so quick. But you can either just push down, or you can push down and rotate it and lock it in. Alright guys, we're going to try something. I like to get this fruit from Walmart. They're great value. I really like their stuff. Pineapple chunks. Let's try this. So let's attach the extractor blade. You want to make sure you got it snug on there just like that. And I'm not going to twist it, I'm just going to push down on it and hold it. I don't know, what was that, maybe about 5 seconds? And it is liquefied. And then just simply take your top off, and I'm going to go over to the faucet and rinse that off. And this rinses off so easy. I run it under warm water. Something else I'll do too is just put some water with some dish soap in a pan after I've let the water run over it in the sink, and then just wash it that way too. Then I'll leave it out, obviously, to dry with it up like that, so that all the water will dry, that you can't get into these little areas. Do as much as I can and let it dry before I put it away. Now, I'll tell you what, guys, every morning I have 6 eggs for breakfast, and ever since I got this larger NUTRiBULLET, I'll take some fruit like you see here with the pineapple, and I'll use that as my drink, and it works great. Really like it. Makes for a tasty breakfast. Now what I can do is drink it out of this, or just put it in another cup and drink it that way. And then I will run this under the hot water, and cleans up very quickly, very easy. Alright guys, now this isn't something I would normally do, but since we got our 6 eggs out here, I want to see how well this thing works with 6 eggs in here. So we are going to put 6 unbroken eggs inside this. Just like that. Put on our extractor blade. Tighten that bad boy down. Well, let's just see what happens. Well, I didn't twist it, and I had let up just a little bit, but that took care of that in short order, didn't it? Now I got to get rid of this mess. But I just wanted to see how that would work. Alright, I'm going to try this. I love Snapple iced tea. I put some in the cup. I'm going to take 8 of these ginger snap cookies. Stick those down in there like that. See what we come up with. You know what, guys, as strange as it may sound, that is an excellent combination. Love it. Next, guys, I got some cucumbers for my neighbor. Got 8 thick slices I put in here. Another combination I like are the Great Value sliced peaches and the sliced pears. Just that quick. So anyways, I'm real happy with this. Like I said, I've had the Magic Bullet, had it for years, works great. And I've been using this NUTRiBULLET Prime now for about a week. Real happy with it.